Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get an invoice from Temu in 2025. And yes, this method still works. So if you have been shopping on Temu and need an invoice for your order, stick around till the end. Let's get right into it. First, open the Temu app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu and tap on the U icon right in the middle. Next, head to the top right corner and tap on the headphones icon. That's the customer support section. Now scroll down until you see the option that says still can't solve the problem. Contact us. Tap on contact us. You'll be redirected to Temu's live customer support chat. Here's just type a message saying you need help getting an invoice for your recent order. You can mention that you did not receive it after the purchase. The support team will then assist you to send the invoice directly to your email, usually within a few minutes. And that's it. That's how you can request and receive an invoice from Temu in 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech solutions. See you in the next one.